Good morning, students. Yesterday we completed exercise 2.4. So some important example sums are there. Today we are going to do that. First one is draw the Venn diagram of the following sets. We should draw the Venn diagrams of the following sets. First one is A union B. Second one is A intersection B. Third one is A minus B. Fourth one is B minus A. Fifth one is A is subset of B. Now we should represent the following sets by using Venn diagrams. So this Venn diagram is a new topic to you. So we have to represent these sets using Venn diagrams. In Venn diagrams, first we have to draw one box that is called universal set. We should draw a box that is called universal set. Here A and B are two sets. In every problem there are two sets. So draw two overlapping circles. This is A, this is B. Universal set is represented by U. Now A union B definition is what? The elements which are either in A or in B or in both. That means we have to shade A, B. Both we have to shade. It covers either A or B or both A and B. So this is A union B. The region which belongs to A or belongs to B or belongs to both. That means whole region we have to represent. That is A union B. Next, A intersection B. To represent A intersection B using Venn diagram, first we have to draw one box that represents universal set. That is represented by U. Now two sets are there, A and B, so draw two overlapping circles. Intersection means the common elements we will take, the common region we have to shade. Now the common region is this we have to shade, that is A intersection B. This is A intersection B, the common place, the common region. Now the third one, A minus B. So draw universal set. Draw two overlapping circles. A minus B is defined as the elements which are in A but not in B. What is A minus B? The elements which are in A but not in B. Now we have to shade the region which is in A but not in B. So we should shade that region. It should be in A but it should not be in B. So this is the place which is representing A minus B. Now B minus A. B minus A means the region which belongs to B but not in A. This is B minus A. Now the last one is A is subset of B. A is subset of B means if every element of A is in B, then we say that A is subset of B. So A is subset of B, we have to represent like this. This is B. In B, A should be there. This is A. If every element of A is in B, we say that A is subset of B. A is subset of B means A should be in B. This is B, so inside A is there. So like this we will represent the sets using Venn diagrams. First A union B, the set which contains the elements either in A or in B or in both. So we should shade the region which is either in A or in B or in both. Whole region you will shade. A intersection B means the common region. A minus B means the region which is in A but not in B. B minus A means the region which is in B but not in A. A is subset of B means if every element of A is in B, we say that A is subset of B. So every element of A should be inside B. Right, next question. What is a power set? What is a power set? Let us take one example. A is equal to A, B, C. A is a set which contains 3 elements. Number of elements present in A is 3. If number of elements present in A is 3, then number of subsets is equal to, what is the formula to find number of subsets? 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 subsets it has. So let us write those subsets. What are those subsets? 8 subsets you have tried. First, every set is subset of itself. So A is subset of A. Next, empty set is subset of all sets. So pi is subset of A. Next, we have to take single element. A, this is B, and this is C. Next, we have to take two elements. AB, BC, CA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets we got. So there are 3 elements in this. So number of subsets is equal to, formula is 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power 3, that is 8 subset it has. So by writing the subsets, first one is every set is subset of itself. So A is subset of A. Empty set is subset of all sets. So pi is subset of A. Next you have to take single element. Next you take two element. Like this you have to write all possible combination. Now power set means, power set of A is denoted by P of A. Power set means the set which contains all the subsets of given set. If you write all these subsets in a set, that is called power set. So let us write A, pi, now with single elements, now with two elements. So the set which contains all the subsets of the given set, this set is called power set. So first you have to write subsets of the given set. If you write all these subsets in flower bracket like this, that set is called power set. If a set contains n elements, power set contains how many elements? 2 to the power n elements. So if a set contains n elements, then its power set contains two power n elements. So here power set means the set which contains all the subsets of the given set is called power set. For example, A is equal to ABC. There are 3 elements. So number of subsets formula is 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3, that is 8 subsets it has. While writing the subsets, first we will follow that every set is subset of itself. Next, empty set is subset of all sets. Next we will write with single element. Next we write with 2 elements. So covering all possible combinations. Now the set which contains all these subsets, that set is called power set. So if a set contains n elements, then its power set contains how many elements? 2 to the power n elements. Right, next example 3. What is the relation between n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B and n of A union B? Now let us write the relationship between n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B and n of A union B. N of A means number of elements in A, number of elements in B, number of elements in A intersection B, number of elements in A union B. So one formula is there, that is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the relationship between these 4. N of A union B is equal to, formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right, next example. If A and B are 2 disjoint sets, then how can you find n of A union B? If A and B are 2 disjoint sets, if A and B are 2 disjoint sets, how can you find n of A union B? If A and B are 2 disjoint sets, how can you find n of A union B? If A and B are 2 disjoint sets, disjoint sets means their intersection A intersection B is an empty set. If A and B are 2 disjoint sets, then A intersection B, they don't have common elements. A intersection B is empty set. That means number of elements in A intersection B will be 0. There is no element in A intersection B. Now we know that n of A union B is equal to, what is the formula? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the formula to find out n of A union B. Here n of A intersection B is 0. So substitute here. Then we will get n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus 0. Therefore, we can get the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So like this we have to find out. So if A and B are 2 disjoint sets, then their A intersection B is empty set. If it is empty, there is no element in that. N of A intersection B is 0. So in this formula, if you substitute 0 here, we will get n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So with this we completed this sets chapter. So in the next class we are going to write some important objective type questions in sets. Thank you.